My name is Jeff Salle, and my title is a Senior Technical Support Representative. I've been with Cole-Parmer for 10 years. By offering customers the latest products, instruments, and services, I'm able to help maintain, drive, and advance scientific research and development. I get to hear firsthand the voice of the customer, and I can immediately communicate any product improvements or quality issues directly back to the product managers, development teams, and suppliers. The process for service and troubleshooting is first we obtain the model and serial number in the issue from the customer and see if we can resolve over the phone. If not, we reach out to the manufacturer to get their input. And lastly, if that doesn't resolve the issue, we arrange for the customer to send in the instrument for service or have the instrument replaced. The type of certificates that we offer are certificates of analysis, certificates of conformance or compliance, certificates of calibration, and safety data sheets. Certificates of analysis are generally associated with chemicals and show data of the product being tested and their results. Also accompanied with that are safety data sheets. Certificates of conformance and compliance state that the product conforms or complies with the stated intention of the product. Certificates of calibration come with instruments that are calibrated in the calibration lab. Customers can request certificates either by phone or by email, and we can easily supply those from our records or request them from the manufacturer. Cole-Parmer offers calibration services via their in-house calibration group, Unical Solutions, that offer NIST-traceable calibrations and A2LA accreditation. For a customer to send in their instrument, we simply obtain their information along with the model and serial number and send them a quote along with information on where to send their instrument. During my time at Cole-Parmer, one of the calls that stands out to me was a reporter from the Wall Street Journal called to obtain information on our products as it relates to the pandemic early in 2020. The reporter was asking about the life cycle of the COVID-19 test, and Cole-Parmer offers products for all of the stages, including transport, storage, monitoring, and testing. And we are grateful to be referenced as a source in his article. The part of my role I'm most passionate about is I enjoy applying my scientific background and sharing my experiences with the products and instruments I've used in the laboratory, along with being able to provide answers to the customer's questions and resolving all kinds of issues.